Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write your blogs and then automatically post your content to your WordPress website. So let's go. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, and then once you get there, you're going to come to the plugin section. You're going to click on Add New. You're going to scroll down to the bottom over here and you're going to type in the word TextBuilder. Click Enter. And I've already installed this, but if you have not, you're going to click on the word install and then you're going to click on activate. Once you've activated your TextBuilder plugin, this is what's going to appear in your dashboard. If I scroll down, you will see the word TextBuilder over here and it is activated, hence it has the word deactivate. So that's the first step and the first thing that you're going to need to do. The next thing you're going to do is we're going to open over into TextBuilder, which is the AI tool that we're going to use to automatically create our blog posts, and then we're going to automatically post our blog posts too. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is once you log into the dashboard, you're going to come to the schedule area over here. You'll see it's in beta phase at the moment, but the founder is always developing the tool and making it better each and every day. So when I come into the section over here, you'll see that there's an idea catalog, ideas from a keyword, ideas from titles, rewrite ideas from titles. And what these are is exactly what the word says. Ideas from catalog, this is the catalog over here. So if there's a particular niche that is already identified over here, you can click on this particular button over here. Let's say I want to write on the area of finance, which is one of my niches. I can click on that and it will open up subtopics within the niche. Ideas from a keyword. If I had a keyword, I could pop in the word keyword over here and it would generate ideas. Ideas from a title. If there's another title on a website or a title that I've come up with, I can plug that in over here and rewrite ideas from titles, similar concept. But for the purpose of this illustration, I'm going to click on ideas from catalog. And let's say I click on finance. It identified sub niches like personal finance. I'll click on that real quickly. Next up, it will bring up subtopics over here. So let me click on savings as an example. And then over here, it brings you different facets of savings. So let's say I want to go with budgeting. I'll click on the word budgeting over there. And it's going to come up with a few different articles or ideas of articles that I could go and write. And I can have the software schedule for me. So if I am going to write a article, I can schedule all of these. So if I wanted to just choose one for illustration purposes, I am going to go and click on schedule. And you'll see that it's going to pop up over here. He's got a few different auto scripts or templates that he has created. The name of the title is Maximizing Your Savings, How to Cut Your Monthly Expenses. So let me go with a how-to article. I've got my WordPress blog post over here. So this is the WordPress site that I want to schedule to. And so what I could go ahead and do is two things that are very important. I could either go and schedule the particular blog post to write and post at a particular point in time. So like today is the 16th of June and it is around 10 o'clock at night. But let's say I wanted to post this particular one tomorrow. I could click on the 17th, but for the sake of this illustration, I am not going to schedule it right yet. Or something that I personally do is I put it to draft format because I sometimes want to go in and I want to read the article myself and I want to add some images. I can make use of the generated AI photos, which the software is capable of doing, but I like to go and read the article and I like to sometimes just add my backlinks and things like that within the article before I click publish. He is working on creating backlinks within the software, which is going to be amazing. But as we speak at the time of writing or me creating this video rather, that functionality still needs to be rolled out. But so for now, I'm going to publish it to draft status. And again, before I do that, I could go and click all these articles. In fact, let me just do another one real quickly. I am going to click, before I do that, let me click the word submit. And I'll show you what's going to happen. It's going to pop up over there. So that article is going to be written by the software. And if I wanted to do another one, let's click on that one over there real quick. It pops up over there, common mistakes. So let's choose a answer to. Again, I can either publish it automatically when I would schedule the date over here, but I'm going to do it in draft status. I'm going to click submit. and you'll see that that's going to pop up over here, and the software is going to go in and write the article. It takes a few minutes, but as you can see, the powerful nature of the software, I can go and write all these articles and schedule it and let the software write the articles, and then I'm going to show you how you can publish it with a one click of a button, where I'm doing it myself. But if I wanted the software to post it itself, I would just have clicked on the word publish and chosen a date, and it would then have gone ahead and published it to my site. Okay, so next up, before we go to our WordPress site, I want to show you guys something real quickly. We've got the auto writer section over here. You're going to click on in generation, and here you can see that the software is busy writing my articles over here. This one is in step 4 of 13. This one is in step 2 of 13. I'm going to click pause, and I'm going to allow it the few minutes that it's going to take to write this article or 2 articles, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to publish it to our site. Again, you can have the software publish it automatically. In the previous step, if I had indicated scheduling, chosen a date and time, and clicked on the word publish and not the draft, which is what I'm doing at the moment. So let me click pause real quick. Okay, so that took about 2 or 3 minutes to write those 2 articles. You can see over here it's not in the in generation stage, but it's actually going to be in the generated section. You'll see over here it is generated. It's got this little eyeball over here. I'm going to click on it over here real quick, and you can see here is my article that it's written common mistakes and common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. If you scroll down, you can see that is my article. It is a 1,348 word article. If I wanted to actually go ahead and post this to my website, I can click on export text. I can either copy this to my clipboard, and I can then paste into a Google Doc, or alternatively into another software like Phrase, which I do use from time to time to optimize my articles. I could copy that in and then go and optimize my articles. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and publish it to my website on the premise that I've reviewed it and that I was happy with it. Okay, but I can either click publish and it'll go directly into publish state, and I'll show you that real quick. You can see published over there. I'll click publish, and it's going to publish to my site. The next thing I'm going to show you real quick is the other article, and if I come back over here to the auto writer section and I click on this one over here, similar concept. It's got a 1,380 word article that it's written. And again, I would normally go in and review these articles before I click post. I think it's important. But again, if you want to create mass articles, for the sake of just putting it out on your website and then seeing which articles are going to rank, and then you want to go in and optimize the ones that are really ranking, you could adopt that strategy too, and not try and optimize the articles from the onset or right at the start. It just depends on your philosophy and how you want to approach it. Some people want to optimize before they click post to their website. Other people are publishing mass content, and then if it starts to rank and it gets on page 1, they will then go in and optimize it to get it into the top 3 spots. So with this one again, I'm going to click on export, but in this case, I'm going to put it to draft state over there, and I'm going to click publish, and I'm going to hop on over to my WordPress website, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Okay, so if we come to WordPress over here, we're going to click on the word posts, and you will see over here something very important. We've got the first one that I actually went ahead and I posted. You can see it's not in draft state or status, but it's actually posted. Whereas this one over here, which I posted in draft status, is in draft status, right? So if I want to come and have a look at this one real quick, I can click on view. And as you can see over here is the article. It's been posted to my website. Wonderful. Again, I would probably go in and I would add some images over here, and possibly if I had a video too, I'd drop my video in. When it comes to the other one, and I'll come back to, let me just click over there, dashboard, click on posts again. This one that's in draft status, if I want to do a preview, you can see over here, I'll show you something. Here's view, here's preview, but if I want to preview this post, there we go. It's on the website over here. Again, I would probably go in and add some pictures. I would put a table of contents in over here, just so that we can, if somebody wants to jump it to a particular part of the post, they can do it that way. But this looks pretty good to me. But again, I would possibly go in and edit it. I think that the founder's done a phenomenal job. And again, as I showed you guys, you can create a lot of posts based on your keyword or even based on the niches that he's identified, and you can just create it in bulk where you can just auto schedule it and it can post automatically. Or if you adopt my approach, what I'm currently doing is I'm posting it to draft status and then pushing it to my website too. And then what I'm going to add images that I want to add, and I'm going to maybe optimize to a certain extent, just depending on how much time I've got available. Guys, I hope that this showed you how powerful this software is and how you can use AI to speed up your blog creation process. For more videos like this, click subscribe below.